All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about JPMorgan. They did announce their earnings after the bank posted record annual profits of $58.5 billion, and that was a rise of 18% from the previous year. Now, I just did a video on Wells Fargo and Citigroup, and unlike the price action of those two banks when they announced their earnings, JPMorgan opened higher on a gap, went lower, and closed near the highs of the day. And we're talking near all-time highs of the day. And I like the level where it's at. That's $200, $250. That's a round hole psychological number. And this tells me that big institutions are looking at this level. They're going to buy and bid up price, or they're going to take some profits off the table. Because last time you was at this level, we did have a pullback. But for me, it wasn't a steep enough pullback. It tells me that the buying pressure is just too great. This is a daily chart, so it's not a macro picture of a potential double top. Nevertheless, the CEO, Jamie Dimon, attributed the success to a resilient U.S. economy, which is supported by lower unemployment and healthy consumer spending, but cautioned about risks such as inflation and geopolitical uncertainties. Now, if you know anything about JPMorgan, they're the largest bank in the world, with probably the most well-known bank CEO probably of all time in Jamie Dimon. And so when he talks, a lot of folks listen. Nevertheless, just look at this uptrend. It's pretty staggering from just October of 2022. It is up 150%, which is pretty insane. Nevertheless, on the monthly chart, there's really just one monthly buy level. That's at $170. Got to remember that was all-time highs once upon a time. Do want to show you the levels on the weekly chart. So you have a level that was formed, had a rally-based rally, had another level that was formed, rally-based rally, and then you had another level that was formed recently, rally-based rally. Two other occasions, price pull back before moving higher, price pull back twice before moving higher. Again, your moving averages are telling you that price is in an uptrend. So go with the trend. So now if you wanted to get long Goldman Sachs, the chart suggesting the best levels to get long. It's got the weekly buy level at $220. Again, going back to the daily chart, not in love with the price action. You got some sideways price action, so very similar to Wells Fargo or Citicorp. You want to see price break out, pull back, and then go higher. But that remains to be seen. We have Trump inauguration on Monday. That should be a catalyst for the stock market to move higher. Or it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news. In this case, it's not a rumor. But, prices are pretty high up since the fall. And so a pullback is warranted. However, if interest rates are going to go down, if inflation data is going to be positive, where inflation numbers are lower than previous quarters or previous months, previous years, going to be very bullish for the stock market and JPMorgan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.